be in the water. It's super hot outside today. It's like crazy hot. The clarity of the water is good today. I think we're gonna have an amazing dive. How is it? Life hack for those who's filming on a surface and underwater. So when you take the camera out of the water, there is always some drops on a screen. So what you have to do, you have to lick. And then all the drops goes down. So then you have better picture just because there is no drops on it.
How's that moray eel? Was that?
That was moray eel.
Yeah?
Swimming moray eel, yeah.
So nice.
Hey friends, that was a Bunutan dive site. And now we loading out on a boat. Wine is coming. And then we go to the next site. Today we diving in Bunutan beach. It's we just met this morning and we were talking that actually probably at the moment it's like you get that feelings when the divers started diving here for the first time. Look at around, right? So here it's like then you can see all the wardrobe of the fisherman family, and yeah, the jukongs on the beach, and there is a pigs, and then is all these flowers. I don't know what they're doing. They may be for this, probably for some offerings. And then this is a place where we do our surface interval, so we can sit here. And then the next we have neighbors. So that's our neighbors. We have two of them. Hello, Piggy 1, Piggy 2. All the infrastructure around our place we diving. And you know, it's like I'm not looking for the fancy places. I still love I love diving. I don't need all this infrastructure or whatever. I need good diving, and this is a place where you can get it. Yeah, cool. So now we do surface interval. Then our next dive site will be
what is it, Deep Blue. So we're gonna go there again by boat. It will take us around 10-15 minutes to get there, and then wait for some views from the underwater.